everyone. Can you guess one dish that most Bengalis hold close to their heart? Yes, it is Bhapa Ilish or Steamed Hilsa. Now, good Ilish is available during this monsoon season, and the best ones are from River Padma in Bangladesh. Yes, Padmar Ilish are the most preferred. Next comes the Ganga Ilish. It's the monsoon time, so let's whip up some Bhapa Ilish. Very few ingredients go on to make this recipe. It's a super easy dish. You just need some mustard seeds. I prefer the mixture of yellow and black mustard. I take yellow mustard seeds and the black mustard seeds and grind it first. I will be including the list of ingredients at the end of the video, so you need not worry about it. Now into this I will be adding green chillies. It depends upon how many you want to add, and fresh coconut. If you don't have fresh coconut, you can add this desiccated coconut. Since I had fresh coconut, I added this and made a paste by adding very less water into this. Now you will take a steel tiffin box and then you will empty the mustard paste into this tiffin box. Then you will add curd, the sour curd, into this paste. Some people also add poppy seed paste. I don't do that. And then you will add the salt and turmeric powder and mix it well. Mixing has to be done properly so that everything is incorporated. And then finally you will add a little bit of sugar into it. Now mix this also. When the mixing is done, you can just taste it at this time, whether you need extra salt or not. I added some more salt into it, mixed it up well, and now the final main ingredient is the mustard oil. I will be adding the mustard oil on top of it and mixing it again. A little more mustard oil, and then mix it up, whip it up very well. That is done. Now I'll take the Ilish fish, that is the Hilsa fish, and I will place it in it and cover it with this paste. When this is done, I will drizzle mustard oil on top of it and then put a few green chilies, slit green chilies on top, and then it is just ready to be baked or steamed. Anything. You can do it in the cooker or in just a saucepan filled with water or even in a microwave. I am using my cooker. First I am going to fill it with water. The amount of water should be half of the height of the tiffin box that I am using, and then I am going to cover the tiffin box very tightly. It's tight, and then I am going to put it on flame. This is on a medium flame. I will wait for 3 whistles, after which I will switch off the flame and let it cool. Once it has cooled more or less, I am going to take it out from the cooker and very carefully remove the cover of the tiffin box. And what else to expect from this? Wow! You can even dazzle your guests with this recipe, Now it is serving time. There is Bhapa Ilish, rice, and I also made kolmi shak. The link and I button will be included. So if you found the video informative, do like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Thank you.